In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Remote.com app on Android. First, let's get started by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will open, displaying the latest apps and games available. This is a crucial step because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on your Android device. It ensures that you are getting safe and verified applications. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to log in. This helps you access your personalized content and apps. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can enter the name of the app you want to download. In this case, type Remote Global HR. As you type, you might see suggestions based on your input. These suggestions can help you find the app more easily. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid confusion. This step is important because it sets you up to find the exact app you need. Once you finish typing, tap the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed. Now you will see a list of search results. Look for the official Remote Global HR app published by Remote.com. It is crucial to select the official version to ensure you are downloading the correct application. This app should have a clear logo and good reviews. Take a moment to verify that the publisher's name is Remote.com. This helps keep your device secure by ensuring you are not downloading a counterfeit or malicious app. Once you have confirmed that it is the correct one, tap on it. After selecting the app, you will be taken to its details page. Here you will see more information about the app, including features, ratings, and user reviews. This page is designed to give you a better idea of what to expect from the app. Now look for the Install button, which is usually located near the top of the page. Tap Install to begin the download process. This step is important because it initiates the installation of the app on your device. You will see a progress bar indicating that the app is downloading. Once the app has finished downloading, the Install button will change to an Open button. This means that the app is now installed on your device. You can tap Open to launch the app immediately, or you can find it later in your app drawer or home screen. This makes sure your changes are saved and the app is ready for use. To ensure you have the best experience with the app, feel free to explore its features and settings after opening it. In summary, you have now successfully downloaded the Remote Global HR app on your Android device. Remember, using the Google Play Store is the best way to ensure that you are downloading safe and reliable applications. Thank you for following along and enjoy using the Remote app